Yeah, g'day. Just doing a bike check. Yeah, it's a, thought I'd do my first video bike check, so yeah. Oh, fuck. Basically, Mirraco Blend 2 frame. Yeah. With stolen seat, stock cranks, stock pedals. I did have Odyssey, but they were pretty shit. They were mucking around, so yeah. Yeah, stock sprocket, or for you fags that say chainring. Yeah, chainring, whatever you want to fucking call it. Yeah, stock pegs. Yeah. Got a giant head stem for some reason. I don't know why. It's probably because my other one was shit. Uniclam V2 bars. They're like the sexiest bars out. ODIs, grips, I don't know what kind they are, but yeah. Odyssey headset, yeah. It goes pretty sweet. Yeah, Sunday forks. Can't really remember the name, but yeah. Alienation front rim. It is beautiful. Odyssey tan wall tires. They're pretty schmaxy. Yeah. Shitty little ice cream hub guard container thing. Yeah, it was raining for like a solid week straight, so I just made it. Yeah, stocky chain, stocky freewheel, stocky back rim. I think it's a crappy Rhino Light. Yeah, I don't recommend. It's pretty craptacular. You might notice I'm missing a spoke, I think there. Yeah, there. And, what else did I forget? Yeah, I just have a lot of stickers on it. And, yeah, that's pretty much my bike. So, keep on shredding.